Hello students, today in this session we learn that how to create a website completely free, right? So for that this website is given, and the website name itself website.com, www.website.com. So when you write it, and it will display this website, and you create a free website, right? And it is a good looking website, so everything you need to create it is website, it is completely free, right? And you easily create it, right? So different types of informations are given, and it is very simple. You just start with the designer templates. After that drag and drop options are available, so you select that drag and drop option and create different types of web pages, right? And you can connect with the different friends and families, right? And you create your own business, right? And business related website also you create by using this website, right? So website gives you the thousands of templates, right? It is completely free available, right? So it is given the different types of website builders, design solutions, integrations, and the different other options are available. After that, these are the different products are available, right? Website. After that, you can sell your products online. You can create online stores. After that, you build your restaurant websites, as well as build a multilingual website also you create it, right? So these facilities are available. After that, number of templates are available. When you click here, right? So these are the popular website templates are given, right? So when you select, right, so for example, if you want to create a website, right, just select and click on the view option, right? So number of templates are given. Some templates are premiums, right? So you have to purchase, otherwise most of templates are given that are completely free, right? Okay, so this is for example, if you select any one template, then it will display that template information. For example, if you want to find information, for example, you just click here, search template, and then write education, right? And find it, right? So you get this type of templates, right? And we select one template. For example, I select this Elena daycare. Just click on the view template, and this is the website, right? It is very interesting and dynamic website you create, right? Home option are home. When you click on the about, you write your own content, right, in this template, right? So different types of programs are available. You click on it and customize this website, right? And gallery option, different types of gallery photographs you can add it, right? And it is completely free, right? Contact related details you can get it by using this option, right? After that, you link your website with the Facebook, Twitter, and the Insta, right? So this is a very good website, right? And the two options are given here, right? So this is the computer view, and this one is the mobile view. When you click on it, it will your website it display like this on the in the mobile, right? So two views are given, and it looks attractive website, and you create website free, right? So this is the mobile version, as well as this is the desktop version, right? So if you want this type of, if you want to create this type of website, then you have to sign up with that website, right? Okay, when you click on this sign up option, it will display this information. It is All premium plans include custom domains, unlimited pages, VIP supports, and the more informations are given, right? So you select website, as well as if you want to create a business or e-commerce website, then options are available, right? But we select this option, website and free, right? So this plan, it will display the website.com ads, right? So and free custom domains. After that, access website pages are given, 10 website pages you create. After that, storage spaces, it is 5 MB, bandwidth is given 1 GB, right? After that, online store bundle is given, that is completely free. Restaurant manager, free, right? And website language is one language it will support, that is English. It is okay. Then if you want to ask some questions or frequently asked questions are given, right? Different informations. And then we select that option, that is free option, right? Click on it. So when you click, it will display the sign up page. Write your first name, last name. After that, write the different email address, username, password, right? And you create a strong password, right? And then if you have already Google account, then you just click on the sign up with the Google, right? So these are the different basic details you have to fill and create a one login, right? So I click with the sign up with the Google, and I select my login, right? And submitting the request, and it will display this give your website name, right? So name you choose will be unique address for your website, right? So if you want to change this address, then the option is available. You just click on that, right? And create a website name, right? So I write the website2.me and select this website. Click on it. It will display this agreement details. So you just click on the I agree to receive and then click on the submit. So there is one information it is given, 7 surprising tricks are given to create the website, right? So detail is given. If you want to create, or if you want to use different types of tricks, use this option and then click on the next option, right? After that, your account setup is complete, and the website name is your website name. It is given, that is davekdar.website2.me, right? And then start building my website. Just click on it, and editor option is display, loading the site web builder. Okay, just let's get started. Click on OK and select most popular templates. The different types of templates are available. You select it, right? I want education based software, so I click education based template. So I select education. Just click here. It will display education based website and templates. Okay, so when you create your website, it will display that website address, right? After that, free plan, right? As well as mailbox. If you want to connect the mailbox, you can use these options. After that, it is not secure, but you get SSL by using this option, right? I already create one website in this website.com. So kedardave.website2.me, that is my domain name, right? So this is the website. When you click here, it will display this website, and coming soon. It is under construction. I have not published that website, that's why it is display this option, right? Go to the website.com, right? And sorry, here you just click on this option, that is edit website, and then the editor is open. Isn't this website, it is very useful, right? And it will display the header informations. After that, you change the style, right? After that, home, programs, and the different about options, success stories, and the contact related details you add. After that, these are the different web pages. You easily manage it, right, by using the drag and drop options, right? So if you want to drag it, right, so it will change that sequence easily, right? As well as this add elements. If you want to add the different types of elements like the text, images, the different types of cards, if you want to add the different images, grid options, right, after that you can add the different types of buttons, right, and customized buttons are given. After that, audios and videos of options you can add, right? For example, you create, if you already create a your channel, then use this YouTube option, right? Then when you click here, it will display this option, right? So you adjust this by using the drag and drop option, right? Adjust it anywhere, right? And you can add your video, right? That option is also available. Okay, then next one, it is the add card options, right? Different types of services are available, then you can add it easily. Then next one, it is the design. Different types of design options are available, you can manage it, right? After that, different types of files if you want to upload, right, or get it, then you can use this option, right? Drop your files to upload it here, right? And then the store is also given, online products are available, right? So you can create your own store by using this option, right? And then blogs. After that, restaurant related information. If you want to create a website related with the restaurant, then use these options. Multilingual options are available, and you can add the different types of members, right? And this is the desktop view, right? Just click on the preview, it will display your website preview. This is your website preview, right? So it looks better, right? And they give you the free, right, with the attractive designs, right? Close this preview, and if you want to see this version on the mobile, then just click here, right, on the mobile, right? So you can set up your mobile pages by using these options, right? Just click on it, it will set, right? So this is your mobile, right? After that, different templates, different options you can easily set. Notifications, toggle hides. After that, mobile view, right, and the smart layout view, right? So when you click on the smart layout view, it will display smart mobile view, right? So you can adjust it directly, right? If you drag these options on the outside this mobile, right, so it is not included in your web page. Okay, so these are the different interesting website. You create it easily, yes, and publish your site when you just select it. After that, it will display the number of options, right? Page names, right? You can check it in the desktop view as well as in the mobile view, right? So you can set up the mobile pages also, right? After that, you publish this website, right? Okay, so this is very useful website, and it is completely free, available in the site website.com. so use it, right? And you create easily website by using drag and drop option. Okay students, thank you.